Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple but useful tutorial video on this channel. And today I'm going to show you how you can easily upload any files on your Google Drive. So without any delay, let's start our video. First of all, go to your Google Drive, and at first you need to make sure that your Google account is connected to your drive, and after that click the plus icon on the bottom of your right screen. Click here, and now this window will pop up. You can see different kind of options like folder, uploads, and Google Sheets, and etc. First I will create a folder here and just give it a name, test file, and just create. And after creating it, you can see my created folder. Just click here, and I will upload a few files on this folder. To upload is just click the plus icon here and just click upload, and it will bring you to your file manager. You can select any documents here to upload it, but I'm going to select one of my videos. Just select that videos, and on the bottom you can see my folder is being uploaded. You can see this is the uploading option. Depending on your file size and your network Wi-Fi network, it will take a few minutes or few seconds, and leave it as it is, and your file will be successfully uploaded onto your Google Drive. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you, and if this video helps you, consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next video.